Hi, this is Natalie. I'm here to talk to you about Sojourn Smooth Collection. This is what I use in my hair because my hair is really curly. I have highlights in my hair, so the bleach has kind of stripped out some of the nutrients, so that is what the Sojourn Smooth Collection is here to do, is to replenish the keratin and cysteine that we end up taking out of our hair in daily use, through our water, through heat. So this line is made to protect the hair and to get it back to its natural state of health. So shampoo and conditioner is pretty self-explanatory. The shampoo is not going to give you a whole lot of suds, but it is really, really nourishing, and your hair still will feel really clean afterwards. It sometimes takes clients a little bit of time to realize that you're not going to get like a detergent suds out of it. But that is actually what we want from our shampoo. And then the conditioner is non-greasy. It has a lot of enriching qualities, and it also has an antioxidant to it also. The leave-in detangler is what I start with on every cut because it's going to close down that cuticle. So, all of the stylists know you have that client with the beautiful long blonde hair, and when you get her out of the shampoo bowl, it is going to be a total rat's nest. So this product is amazing. This is my, if you could only have one product on earth, this is what I would recommend to people because it's going to close down your cuticle, it's going to create shine, it's going to protect, and it's going to work as a really good base for any product that you're putting on there. And then the Serum Smooth, great blow drying product. I usually cocktail this with a little bit of the gel just to give it a little bit of a lighter feel, but sometimes you have those clients with really dry, really probably curly, or just kind of a denser texture that can handle a heavier product, and this product is amazing for it. When you get done, the hair will be so shiny and it'll feel so smooth. Great to run a flat iron over really quick too. So that brings us to the end. These are my favorite products. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.